Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are coming for the first time, my name is Adaora. You are highly welcome. Today I'm going to share with you this special tasty fried rice recipe. This recipe never goes bad. It is very good for parties because it can stay a whole day without getting bad. So if you're interested, just relax and continue watching. So for this fried rice, I'll be making use of hard chicken, already washed and cut. Here I have some seasonings. I have thyme, rosemary, bay leaf, turmeric, salt, seasoning cube. Over here I have garlic, ginger and onions. So I went ahead to blend the whole seasonings and I poured it into the chicken. I also added my seasoning cubes. I mixed everything together and just let the chicken start cooking. So the stock from this chicken is going to serve as the base for our rice. That is why I like seasoning my chicken very well, because whatever stock I get from there is going to be so useful in making the fried rice. For this fried rice recipe, I'm not going to parboil the rice. I just like to soak the rice in hot or warm water and just leave it aside. Then after some minutes, maybe after 10 or 20 minutes, I just wash it several times until the water becomes clean. So here is the rice after washing it. The purpose is just to prevent the rice from being soggy. That's why I don't parboil. Here I have green bell peppers already sliced and chopped. I have red bell peppers. I have yellow bell peppers. Over here is my chopped onions. Here I have some turkey franks. You can use liver. Here I have some carrots. Here is my sweet corn. Here I have some habanero peppers. And I have some green peas. And lastly is our chicken stock. So the next thing is just to transfer our chicken stock into a pot, then add more seasonings if you want. Okay, here I added some pepper, I added some seasoning cubes, I added this lassa spice. This lassa spice gives the fried rice a very rich kind of greenish, yellowish greenish color, unlike just curry. Okay, but if you don't have it, just go ahead and use curry or turmeric to color your rice. So just go ahead, add any other seasoning you would like to add. I just added salt. Next I just allowed the stock to boil. When it came to a boil, I poured in my washed rice, mixed everything together, just cover it and let it start cooking. While the rice was cooking, I went ahead to prepare my veggies for the fried rice. So this was the oil I used in frying our chicken. Okay, so I just transferred a little bit of it inside a pan. When it heated up, I poured in some chopped onions, fry it for some minutes until it becomes translucent. I also love throwing in some bay leaves when I'm frying my onions. I just want the flavor to diffuse into the oil. Next I added some thyme and just mix everything together, and after some minutes, maybe after 1 or 2 minutes, just go ahead and add your vegetables. So I just start with adding the hardest of them, or like the carrots. I feel carrots is hardest. I mean, it will take a longer time to cook when compared to the other veggies that I'm using. So I just try to add my carrots first. Then after frying it for about maybe 1 or 2 minutes, I will go in with another one. So here I added my turkey franks. If you are making use of liver, it's also okay to add it at this point. While the veggies were frying, I just came here to check my rice, okay, to see how it's cooking. At this point, you'll see that the water has dried out. So what I just like doing at this point is just to turn down the heat, cover this rice with a foil pepper, and let it steam, okay. The steam is going to make the rice to be soft. I don't like adding extra water. Now back to our vegetables. I also added the green peas, the sweet corn. I mixed everything together, fried it for a few minutes. I also went in with the bell peppers. If you've been making fried rice without adding this green, red, and yellow bell peppers, just try it. You're going to love the aroma that it gives to fried rice. You may just choose to add either maybe just the red one or the green one or the yellow one. Then I also love to season my vegetables. So here I just added some seasoning powder and some salt. I mixed everything together, fried it for just few more minutes, maybe 1 or 2 more minutes. Then just turn off the heat because we don't want it to overcook, and because we are also going to fry it a second time. Now this was after about 5 to 10 minutes. Our rice became soft, okay. So this is how you should always make your rice, even your patty jollof rice. You don't need to add too much water. Just cover it with a foil pepper and just let it steam. So at this point you can see that the rice is very soft now. You see me press on some of the grains and you see how soft the rice has become. So the next thing is just to fry the rice, that is to mix the rice and the vegetable. At this point, I thought I was filming, but unfortunately, I did not press the record button. So I only added some vegetables. I added the rice. Mind you, I did not add any other oil, okay? I just added some of the vegetables that I fried. I scooped in some rice and I was just frying it here. So this is just to help the rice to stay longer without going bad. So this is basically what I did. At this point, just continue frying the rice and the veggies until you see it become a bit dry and just to your taste. Just take your time and fry the rice in batches. After each batch, just transfer it to another container so that it will cool down completely. This is another step that will help the rice not to go bad. So as I said earlier, just make sure that your rice cools down completely before you cover it. That way it won't go bad. It won't go bad at all. It can stay a whole day without going bad if you use this method and if you don't cover until it cools down. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and turn on your bell notification. That is a bell sign near the subscribe button, so that whenever I put up a new video you'll be notified. Thank you for watching, and let me know in the comment section, are you team jollof rice or team fried rice? I'll see you in my next one. Until then, stay safe and God bless you. Bye.